Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. Today is a paneer recipe. I made aloo paneer, which is a nice side dish to have with chapati or jeera rice. So if you're a paneer lover, you're going to love this recipe. So do try it. The ingredients list is given below. So I've got loads of paneer recipes on my channel. So if you're interested, please do subscribe, like and share. Let's move into the recipe. So I've heated some oil in a pan on medium flame and I'm adding some cubed potatoes into this. We are going to fry the potatoes until they are lightly browned. So nicely saute it and cook it until the potatoes turn slightly brown. So you can see it's browned slightly. Now I'm going to remove it into another pan. Into the same oil I've added some paneer cubes. We'll do the same with them as well. Meanwhile, in another pan I've added some oil and into that I'm adding bay leaves, cinnamon, cumin seeds and some kasoori methi and tempering it. Meanwhile, the paneer is ready. Let's remove that also into a separate pan. Now into the tempered spices, we'll add some finely chopped onion and green chilies and saute it nicely until the onions start changing color. You don't need to brown them, just slightly they need to change color to brown. Once that's done, I'm adding the ginger garlic paste and cooking it until the raw smell disappears. So I've added a tablespoon of hot water and I'm going to add the masala powders into this, which is turmeric, red chilli powder and coriander powder, and we are going to cook the masala along with the rest of the mixture. So the masala is cooked nicely. Now it's time to add the tomato puree and then we'll cook it further down until the oil oozes out and the masalas are done. So let it cook. So the oil is oozed out now. So it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. First we'll add some hot water into this to create a gravy. Mix everything together. Add some salt to taste. And then we'll add in the fried potatoes into this gravy. We'll mix everything and let the potatoes cook until they are 3/4 done. So the potatoes are 3/4 cooked. Now I'm going to add the fried paneer into this. And we'll cook it further for another 5 minutes. Once it's cooked for 5 minutes, we'll add some fresh cream into this. Cook it for another 2 minutes. And our paneer recipe is ready to be served. So do try this recipe and also the other recipes in my paneer playlist. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also leave a comment if you like the recipe. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.